To be globally relevant, you have to be globally excellent. When you play on the global stage, local excuses will not be entertained. With the desire to build a network of locally based international social problem solvers, Dr. Dauda Lawal began his philanthropy many years ago. Having built a successful career and directly impacted nearly 10,000 lives, Dr. Dauda Lawal, in his usual pragmatic and progressive style, decided that it was time to have a more organized and effective approach to his philanthropic activities. This organized system of supporting those who were less fortunate than himself was to enable him do more and do it continually. So, in 2021, Dauda Lawal Foundation was formally incorporated to do formally what he had been doing informally. With great passion for enhancing community development, the primary focus of the Dauda Lawal Foundation is the younger generation, with wraparound interventions centered on health, empowerment, and the environment.
Well, I can simply summarize this as integrity and hard work. If you're able to combine these two, I believe you can do anything and you can become anything in life. Basically, I look at my childhood and the fact that there's a need to help people generally. My foundation basically is looking at a few areas. Number one that is more critical is in the area of education. That is number one. Because with education, you're basically empowering people and they can be anything in life. And the second area is in the area of the health sector. As Nigerians, I mean, we know the kind of challenges that we face in the area of the health sector. And therefore, there's really need for people like us to look at that sector critically and be able to come up with certain solutions in terms of helping people in the area of health. And this is important. And of course, if you're able to do this 1 and 2, then the next most important thing is how do you empower people to be independent, to be able to do so much for themselves and become relevant to the community and society at large.
With support of an organized, experienced team, he was able to do much more than he could do alone.
In the months to come, we'll be launching some sustainable initiatives that will impact lives. We would need everyone to be on board. At Dauda Lawal Foundation, we want to inspire, empower, and ensure sustainable living for all.
Dr. Dauda Lawal and his team have been able to execute the following projects. Building of 4 blocks of classrooms at School of Health Technology, Safe, Zamfara State. Building 250 capacity male and female hostels fully furnished for School of Nursing and Midwifery, Gusau, Zamfara State. Offices and classroom blocks to the Faculty of Social Sciences, Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria. Also built primary health care centers in Guga, Bokori Local Government, Katsina State, and state-of-the-art Jumat Mosque in Zamfara State, amongst others. Collaborating with state governments, private individuals, national and international non-profit organizations to eradicate poverty and strengthen its health and education sector, specifically in northern Nigeria.
Well, let me say this. When I started earning money, in terms of, when I started getting salary, what I did was to divide my money into 4. 50% is what I usually save for the rainy days. 1/4 of that money also will go to charity in terms of assisting people. And the last quarter is what I use in running day-to-day activities of my life. For me, when I started doing some of these philanthropic activities, I just felt it was just something that I have passion for, and therefore I keep it to myself and be doing it alone without attracting so much publicity. However, I've had series of arguments from different people to say that, look, you know, you're doing some of these things and nobody is hearing about it, and you're not making so much noise about it. And I said to him, look, you know what? I'm doing this because I have this passion of helping people, and therefore I don't need to make it public. However, with the current situation, after launching my foundation, and I strongly believe there's a need to make it public in terms of, you know, because of accountability and transparency. For people also who are willing and ready to key in, they need to understand what is going on so that it will be clear. And not only that, I want something that will last forever. What I mean by that is, even when I'm not alive, at least the foundation is there, and we have laid down all the, or rather put all the structures in place to continue to work on that.
We are Hospitals for Humanity and a health-based organization. We're a 501(c) registered organization in Georgia and also registered in Nigeria. We are most interested in children with congenital heart disease. We've been doing this in Nigeria since 2014. We are happy to say that collaborating with Dr. Dauda Lawal has been of great help. He has supported this cause, most especially with the children in Zamfara State. We hope that our collaboration as Hospitals for Humanity with Dauda Lawal Foundation will bring smiles in the faces of the parents of these children, and also give these children an opportunity for a better life.
Just like Malcolm X said, education is the passport to the future, and it belongs to those who prepare for it today. In line with this, we at Dauda Lawal Foundation have decided to support sustainable education in Nigeria through our initiative.
We are about to commission a 16-slice CT scan machine, a digital mammogram, X-ray facility, and a whole lot of laboratory equipment that will be one in town in Zamfara State. Alhaji Dauda Lawal has supported, paid so many hospital bills within and outside the country. Almost on a weekly basis, he takes care of a lot of bills ranging from treatment from cancer, from ailments such as urinary tract and neurosurgical procedure that consume a lot of money, in millions. Within Zamfara and outside, I know in Abuja here, he has done a lot in setting so many people's hospital bills. Some travel to UK, to Cairo, to India on his bill to get treatment for so many ailments such as breast cancer, lung cancer, prostate issues, and we have no words to thank him and to encourage doing more in the healthcare industry.
Well, the next thing now is we are launching a lot of initiatives now, and part of which we're thinking of, okay, what are the critical areas that we feel there's the need for intervention and to help people as well as empower people.
So, if you would like to join a network of local and international social problem solvers, as in partnership and collaborations, please email us at info@daudalawalfoundations.org or visit our website at www.daudalawalfoundation.org. Dauda Lawal Foundation, empowering Nigerians for global excellence.